how can we improve our drawings? This question goes through the minds of all drawing and art lovers. That's why today I want to share my point of view, or what I consider important to keep in mind when it comes to improving our drawings. In my experience, drawing is based on references. Almost everything we draw is based on images captured by our brain. Images that we see every day. Or even drawings by other artists, other works. That's why, if we want to learn how to draw, we need to have one quality, which is patience. And another virtue, which is the calm to observe our references, our reference images. A simple glance is not enough. We must pay attention to the details and especially to the shapes. For example, I could draw Billie Eilish's face in a simplified way. Like a circle for the head, 2 dots for the eyes, a little line to draw the mouth, and 2 little dots to draw the nose. But if I have enough patience, I can detail the shape of each eye, the texture, the eyelashes, even the veins. Everything you can observe. And that way I can try to draw or take into account in my own way those details, those aspects that give our drawing life realism and identity. As you can see in this video, I use different materials, which makes me take a little longer to complete this drawing, since I have to keep changing tools to also change techniques. This requires a lot of patience. This drawing of Billie Eilish, I don't know how to pronounce Billie Eilish. It took me about 20 hours, spread over 4 days. Of course. Because at the end of the day, I wanted to finish, but I had to have the willpower to hold on and wait until the next day, so that my mind would be rested as well as my eyesight. Something that helped me make this drawing was listening to music. The process gives the mind a kind of motivation, or it's like our mind enters a heightened, different state of consciousness, a kind of meditation. If you want to improve your drawings, you have to be observant and very patient. The rest is a matter of practice, so you can learn new techniques. You can even watch tutorials on YouTube, drawing courses. Actually, I offer a drawing course on my channel. I'll leave you the link or the card that will take you to this course. In it, you'll learn different techniques that you can replicate and internalize to create your drawings.